Polished round billet aluminum knob. 3/8-16 say threads. Rampage Billet Shift Knobs for 1987 to 1995 Jeep Wranglers YJ are constructed of polished billet aluminum for beauty, durability and long-lasting performance. Shift patterns are etched directly into the top of the knob. Available for 5-speed manual or transfer case. Top reviews from the United States. This is a nice replacement, but I had to use a washer to get it to seat properly. Maybe I was doing something wrong, but the washer worked. Also, I took someone else's idea and painted the numbers and letter. However, instead of using black paint as was suggested, I used the same blue color of my Jeep and it looks great.